Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily get a Chrome extension in your Chrome web browser. Maybe you need some addition to your Google Chrome. Maybe you are some editor, or you need to advance your skills, use a Google Chrome. So in order to get more extensions, you can click on three dots beside your profile, and here search for extensions. Under extension there is a visit Chrome Web Store. Click it, and welcome to chromewebstore.google.com. Here you can supercharge your browser with extension and themes for Chrome. Here there is a dark mode. This is for you for theme, and here top categories like shopping, entertainment, tools, art, design, and accessibility. And also there are some editors picks handpicked by Chrome editor. This is the extend your browser, and so on. Here if you click extensions, there are some categories that you can try. Or maybe you need a specific extension, you can use search filter. So feel free to try to get your favorite extensions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.